Good afternoon, everyone. It's our finale with RMI Professional Corporation once again. Hope everyone's had a fantastic couple weeks and is enjoying the summer heat that we've been having here, especially in Calgary. As we are now in the month of August, what I really wanted to touch on today was a topic about budgeting. So many people have December fiscal year ends, and even if you have one that's off the calendar year, budgeting becomes very important for many reasons. The biggest of which is cash flow planning. So many companies, big or small, you're always going to have cash flow requirements. If you're a bigger organization, you might be looking at some capital expenditures. If you're a smaller company, you might be just looking at when your peak cash flow time periods are, so you can plan for those periods where you're a bit slower and you need to actually have some savings to outlast that time period. And so now would be the time that you want to start creating your budget, do some planning for next year. And what's the easiest way to do that is at least start with something. Start with your last year's numbers if you think you're going to do the same thing, and start building off of that. Sometimes we'll incorporate an increase in your expenses based on inflation, or maybe you know you're going to undertake some sort of expansion, and we can build and plan around that component. Same thing on the revenue side. You need to have some component to base off of. So typically we'll start with what did you do last year in terms of your numbers, and now we can start to gauge and estimate what you'll do for next year. Once you can put that together, you'll really start to see when you're going to be having some peak periods, when you're going to have slower periods, when you're going to have extra cash flow available, and when you're going to need to dip into your savings. If you can put that all together, it'll give you as an owner of your business better decision-making power in order to plan better going forward. Once again, thanks for tuning in. It's our finale with RMI Professional Corporation. Take care.